Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow and in just 24 hours, you've built a source of passive income that could keep earning you money long after you've finished working on it. Sounds impossible? Not at all. With the right approach, you can create an AI-driven product, sell it, and start making money without spending a dime up front. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make passive income with ChatGPT using just a few simple tools that anyone can access for free. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll leverage ChatGPT, Canva, Gumroad, and Pinterest to create a digital product and drive traffic to start earning. Let's dive into how you can do all this in just 24 hours. 10. Start by generating a simple product idea with ChatGPT. The first step in this journey is figuring out what kind of product you want to create. With ChatGPT, you don't need to worry about coming up with a perfect idea on your own. ChatGPT can generate ideas, help you brainstorm, and even create content for your product. This is the foundation of your passive income stream. Start by asking ChatGPT for some suggestions. For example, you could ask it, what are the most common challenges people face with time management? Or, can you give me 5 ideas for self-help ebooks? ChatGPT will provide a list of ideas that you can refine and make your own. The key is to pick something that resonates with you and your target audience. For beginners, it's best to stick with a simple digital product, something like an ebook, a checklist, or a guide that doesn't require a lot of technical know-how to create. 9. Refine your idea into a tangible product. Once you've got your idea from ChatGPT, it's time to refine it into something tangible. If you decided to create an ebook or a guide, ChatGPT can help you expand on your initial idea by writing chapters or sections for you. You can ask ChatGPT to generate specific content based on the topic you've chosen. For instance, if you're creating a productivity guide, ChatGPT can provide you with actionable tips, tricks, and methods to include in each chapter. You can then review and edit the content, adding your own personal touch, voice, or style to ensure the product reflects your unique perspective. Keep the structure simple and clear. If it's an ebook, think in terms of chapters that guide the reader step by step. If it's a checklist, focus on clarity and usability. The goal is to provide value to your audience in a format that's easy to digest and useful. 8. Create eye-catching visuals using Canva. Now that you've got the content ready, it's time to make it look professional. Canva is an excellent tool for creating stunning visuals for your product, even if you have zero graphic design experience. With Canva, you can design everything from the cover of your ebook to promotional images for social media. For an ebook, start by designing an eye-catching cover. Canva offers free templates that you can easily customize. Look for templates specifically labeled as ebook cover or book cover in the search bar. Once you've found one that fits your style, customize the text, colors, and images to match your product's theme. A good cover can make a huge difference in how professional and appealing your product looks to potential customers. If you're creating a different type of product, like a printable planner or checklist, Canva also offers templates for those. Simply customize them with your content and branding, and you're ready to move on to the next step. 7. Compile your product into a digital format. With your content and visuals ready, it's time to compile everything into a digital product. If you're working with an ebook, the simplest way to do this is by using Canva's download feature to export your finished design as a PDF. This format is universally accessible, easy to share, and perfect for digital products. If you've created a printable, you can export it as a high-quality PDF as well. Make sure the formatting is clean, the text is readable, and everything is aligned properly. The key to a successful product is clarity, so ensure your customers will be able to easily use or consume it without any issues. 6. Set up your Gumroad store. Now that your product is ready to go, it's time to get it online and start selling. Gumroad is a user-friendly platform that makes it simple for beginners to sell digital products. Best of all, setting up your store is completely free. To get started, create a Gumroad account, upload your digital product, the ebook, guide, or checklist you've just created, and set your price. Gumroad allows you to sell digital downloads with ease, and they handle all the payment processing for you. Keep the pricing simple, especially for your first product. If you're just starting out, consider setting a lower price point like $5 or $10. The goal is to build momentum and make those first few sales, so don't overcomplicate things with a high price tag right away. As your business grows, you can always adjust your prices. 5. Configure payment and automatic delivery. One of the best things about Gumroad is that it takes care of the technical side of things for you. Once you've uploaded your product and set a price, all you need to do is configure the payment options. Gumroad supports various payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal, so your customers will have multiple ways to purchase your product. After configuring payment, you'll also need to set up automatic product delivery. This means that as soon as a customer buys your product, they'll be able to download it instantly. This feature makes the entire process seamless and helps you build trust with your audience, as they don't have to wait for you to manually send them the product. 4. Write a compelling product description. To sell your product, you need a compelling product description that explains why someone should buy it. This is where you can really shine by explaining the benefits of your product and addressing your audience's pain points. You can ask ChatGPT to help you write a product description that highlights the key benefits of your ebook, guide, or checklist. For example, if you're selling a productivity guide, the description could mention how it will help people manage their time better, boost their efficiency, and achieve their goals faster. Make it clear, concise, and focused on the problem your product solves. 3. Drive traffic to your Gumroad store using Pinterest. Here's where the fun begins. Getting people to see your product. While there are many ways to drive traffic to your product, Pinterest is one of the best platforms to promote digital products, and it's free to use. Pinterest users are often looking for solutions to specific problems, which makes it a perfect platform for selling things like ebooks, planners, or guides. To start, create a Pinterest account if you don't already have one, and start posting pins related to your product. You can create multiple pins for the same product, each with a different design or focus. For example, you might create one pin that highlights a productivity hack and another that promotes your full ebook on productivity. Make sure to include a call to action on your pins, such as click to get your free guide or download now to boost your productivity. This makes it clear to users what action they need to take to get the product. 2. Optimize your Pinterest strategy. Pinterest is a visual platform, so the quality of your pins matters. Use Canva to design eye-catching pins that will stop users from scrolling. Make sure your images are high quality, easy to read, and directly related to the content of your product. Also, remember to optimize your pins with relevant keywords. Think about the phrases your potential customers might search for, terms like time management tips, self-help ebook, or productivity planner. Add these keywords to your pin descriptions, titles, and boards to make sure your content shows up in search results. 1. Engage with your audience and scale. Now that your pins are live and your product is up for sale, the final step is engaging with your audience and scaling up. Respond to comments on your pins and start building a community around your products. Engaging with your audience not only helps you build trust, but it also increases the chances of making a sale. As you continue to make sales, consider expanding your product line. Maybe create a bundle deal or develop new products to offer your audience. The more digital products you create, the more passive income streams you'll have. In just 24 hours, you've gone from zero to having a fully functioning digital product that's ready to earn you passive income. By combining ChatGPT, Canva, Gumroad, and Pinterest, you've created a simple system that doesn't require any upfront investment, just creativity and effort. Start small, keep working on your products, and soon you'll have a steady stream of passive income. If you want to see how to build this step-by-step in real time, comment 24H below and I'll walk you through the whole process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to turn your skills into a thriving online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.